this is Jason just coming to you with an inspection tip for today. So here we are looking into a house, looking underneath the kitchen sink. You got a garbage disposal on the one side, and you come over to the drain and down to the P-trap. All pretty nice and neat. And then you start looking at this white PVC drain line. You come looking at it. First of all, you see some calcium deposits and stuff on the bottom of the sink. That usually indicates that there was a previous leak and the calcium has kind of stopped that leak. But then we come down to this fitting here and you see a bunch of caulk around it. Caulk is not a good indication of anything when you're looking at PVC drain lines. Those screw fittings there are what they call compression fittings and should self-seal when they're screwed on nice and tight. If they're leaking, then that means that the compression fitting is probably deteriorated or bad and should be replaced. Caulk is not a good alternative for that compression fitting. So I would recommend just replacing these things and getting the sink and everything flowing properly so that you can open it up and clear drain lines as needed. Also, you can kind of see this one here has a crack on that bottom compression fitting. Again, just needing a replacement. So thanks for watching.